Welcome to QuickBooks Payroll. Here, you can add and pay your employees. Let's go over where everything is in QuickBooks Payroll. Search for Payroll. This is where you pay your team. If you just signed up for QuickBooks Payroll, you can use the list of tasks to set up payroll correctly. You can also get help from our setup guide or check out videos to help you get started. This page shows an overview of the total pay cost. You can enable single-touch payroll from here. You can run payroll from this screen. From the Employees tab, you will see a list of employees you've added to QuickBooks and their pay schedule. If you want more details, select an employee. If you are hiring a new employee, select Start Employee Self-Setup to set them up. This is also where you can add contractor, import self-setup employees to QuickBooks. Import and export employees options are also available. Update the name, email address, mobile number. Tick the emergency contact box as applicable. Change the frequency of the reminder here if required. Select Save. Once you select an employee, you can select these icons to update the personal details, employment details, banking, and super, tax file declaration sections. Go to GST. The GST page is where QuickBooks alerts you on anything that needs attention or is coming up in the future for PAYG withholding payments. If you use Payroll Advanced, you can use the Time tab to see who's working and where, enter time, and approve employee time. Go to Reports and Payroll Reports section to run reports on payroll details, activity, and more. To set up your payroll preferences, go to Settings and select Payroll Settings. Here you can update pay run settings, pay conditions, and more. You can also use the Settings menu to change your subscriptions and billing info. If you want to grant your payroll administrators access to QuickBooks Payroll or need to update your payroll contacts, select Manage Users to add them. Check out another video to learn more about how to set up users. Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks to manage your payroll.